Hello everyone, we the people of group of four people, Rajakta Bankar, myself, Fatima Merchant, Payal Thorat and Nikita Awhad is going to give you the information about mobile computing and distributed system. So as we know that the mobile computing is mainly used and a mobile is in everyone's hand. So according to it, the technology is moving rapidly. So distributed system and mobile computing is linked with each other to get the people close to each other and to share their data. So over past few years, large number of advances in computing and computing technology have made, and also same thing has happened in the mobile computing and and in everywhere. So maintaining full connectivity and computational power while moving with a person in a vehicle or an aircraft or ship. Distributed integrating function that are performed at different places in a way that is transparent to the user and ubiquitous, providing the same functionality independent of the user's location. So there are new devices launched which are using this kind of technology and make people available for each other, data available for each other, and message passing for each other. For this thing, mobile computing is used, and at the same time, these are all connected via distributed system architecture. The IDU computing is by its nature generic, so it is not immediately clear that it merits special attention by geographic information science community, or the substantial research problem exists that if solved will have value in GIS application domain. In summary, geographic information science and UCGIS is particularly recognized distributed and mobile computing as a significant area of research because the problems and geographic information technologies are designed to address are better solved in some places than others, and because in a distributed world it is possible to distribute the software. The nature of computing. There is different nature of a computing. As the time passes, this nature has been changing, and it will change in further year to make these things smooth and efficient to use. So, computer began as a calculating machine and designed to process very large number of arithmetic operation at the speed far beyond capabilities of human using tables and algorithms. And now, cryptography is provided another well-funded and highly motivated application in which computers were used not for arithmetic calculation but for very large number of simple operation on code. So these things are coming forward and which are used in distributed computing and mobile computing. So today, one computer, if one uses a computer system to perform series of arithmetic operation, display to or print information, transmit information to another computer, search a network of computers for information, request information from a local to remote database, transform information using a set of rules. So these things are we can do these things with the help of distributed system which is running in backend. And we can also guess the location of computer, location of the user, location of user's workstation, location of network used to transmit information, the location where necessary data are stored, the location where data are interpreted, processed, compiled, and otherwise prepared for storage, location where data are defined to measure. So these are the things that we are currently able to know from where this data is coming, from which location this data is coming in, and the geographical data are stored and served on internet. Now the third point, the location history of computing is will be described by Payal Thorat. Thank you. So now we will conclude whatever we have discussed till now. So mobile computing offers a potential large economic market in network. Nevertheless, the greatest challenge that are to be solved are namely security, portability, and scalability and power control issues. This promoting field of research is still at an early stage, but advances are made to improve the quality and availability of mobile systems. So there is also this. These are some of the challenges which we have to face, and we are still facing, but still we are improving ourselves, and we are at the stage of improvement. So there is also very much kind of